Understanding second conditional. Avoiding common mistakes. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll tackle the often tricky subject of second conditionals in English, with a special focus on incorrect verb forms. This is one of the common areas where learners stumble, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of the second conditional structure and how to avoid these common mistakes. Let's start by quickly recapping the structure of second conditional sentences. They typically consist of two parts: the if clause, the condition, and the main clause, the result. The structure is if plus past simple tense, would plus base verb. For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel around the world. One of the most common mistakes learners make when forming second conditional sentences is using incorrect verb forms. This usually happens in two main parts of the sentence. 1. In the if clause, using would, could, or should instead of the past simple tense. Incorrect. If I would have $1 million, I would travel around the world. Correct. If I had $1 million, I would travel around the world. In the main clause, using the would verb in the past tense or not using it at all. Incorrect. If I had $1 million, I traveled around the world. Correct. If I had $1 million, I would travel around the world. Remember, for second conditional sentences, the past simple tense is used in the if clause, and would plus the base verb is used in the main clause. The key to mastering the second conditional, like all other aspects of English grammar, is practice. Try writing your own sentences and speaking them out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use the correct verb forms. And of course, don't be too hard on yourself when you make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. And that's a wrap for today's video on avoiding incorrect verb forms in second conditional sentences. We hope this video has been helpful and cleared up some common misconceptions. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step, even the missteps, brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using the second conditional with ease.